NeuronWriter, a comprehensive guide to superior SEO content optimization. In the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing, creating content that not only resonates with your audience but also ranks highly on search engines is paramount. At the core of successful SEO strategies lies the ability to craft content that is not only engaging but also optimized for search engine algorithms. Enter NeuronWriter, a cutting-edge tool designed to empower content creators with the insights needed to produce high-ranking content. In this comprehensive guide, we delve deep into how NeuronWriter can revolutionize your content strategy and help you dominate search engine results pages SERPs. What is NeuronWriter? NeuronWriter is an advanced SEO content optimization tool that leverages artificial intelligence to enhance the quality and effectiveness of your content. Designed with both novice and experienced SEO professionals in mind, NeuronWriter provides a suite of features that streamline the content creation process, making it easier to produce content that ranks. The tool's AI-powered algorithms analyze top-performing content in your niche, providing actionable insights to optimize your writing for better search engine visibility. The key features of NeuronWriter. 1. AI-powered content analysis. At the heart of NeuronWriter lies its powerful AI-driven content analysis feature. This tool scours the web for the top-performing articles related to your target keywords, analyzing their structure, tone, and keyword usage. NeuronWriter then provides a detailed report on how your content can be optimized to outperform these top-ranking pages. By following the tool's recommendations, you can fine-tune your content to match the search intent of your audience and align with the preferences of search engine algorithms. 2. Semantic keyword suggestions. One of the standout features of NeuronWriter is its ability to generate semantic keyword suggestions. Unlike traditional keyword research tools that focus solely on exact match keywords, NeuronWriter takes a broader approach, identifying related terms and phrases that can enhance the relevance and depth of your content. By incorporating these semantic keywords into your articles, you can improve your chances of ranking for a wider range of search queries, ultimately driving more organic traffic to your site. 3. Real-time content scoring. NeuronWriter offers a real-time content scoring system that evaluates your content as you write. This feature provides instant feedback on the readability, keyword density, and overall SEO optimization of your article. With this real-time scoring, you can make adjustments on the fly, ensuring that your content is optimized before it's published. This proactive approach helps prevent the need for extensive revisions later on, saving you time and effort in the long run. 4. Competitor analysis. To outrank your competitors, it's crucial to understand what they're doing right. NeuronWriter includes a robust competitor analysis tool that allows you to dissect the content strategies of top-ranking websites in your niche. By analyzing factors such as keyword usage, content structure, and backlink profiles, you can identify opportunities to improve your own content and gain an edge over your competitors. This feature is particularly useful for uncovering gaps in the market that you can exploit to attract more traffic to your site. 5. Content structure optimization. The structure of your content plays a significant role in how it is perceived by both search engines and readers. NeuronWriter provides detailed recommendations on how to structure your articles for maximum impact. This includes suggestions for headings, subheadings, paragraph length, and the use of bullet points and numbered lists. By following these guidelines, you can create content that is not only SEO-friendly but also easy to read and navigate, improving the overall user experience on your site. 6. Natural language processing (NLP) integration. Search engines are increasingly relying on natural language processing (NLP) to understand the context and relevance of content. NeuronWriter integrates NLP technology to ensure that your content is written in a way that aligns with how search engines interpret language. This includes optimizing for entities, topics, and sentiments that are relevant to your target keywords. By leveraging NLP, NeuronWriter helps you create content that is more likely to rank for complex and conversational search queries. 7. Content brief creation. Creating a comprehensive content brief is essential for maintaining consistency and focus in your writing. NeuronWriter simplifies this process by automatically generating content briefs based on your target keywords and competitor analysis. These briefs include detailed guidelines on keyword usage, content length, and structure, providing you with a clear roadmap to follow as you write. This ensures that your content is aligned with best practices and is optimized for search engine rankings from the outset. How NeuronWriter enhances your content strategy. 1. Aligning content with search intent. Understanding the search intent behind a query is critical for creating content that ranks. NeuronWriter goes beyond simple keyword optimization by analyzing the intent behind the top-ranking pages for your target keywords. Whether the intent is informational, transactional, or navigational, NeuronWriter provides insights into how you can tailor your content to meet the needs of your audience. By aligning your content with search intent, you can improve its relevance and increase the likelihood of ranking on the first page of search results. 2. Improving content relevance and depth. NeuronWriter encourages the creation of content that is both relevant and comprehensive. By suggesting related keywords and topics, the tool helps you cover a subject in greater depth, providing more value to your readers. This not only improves the chances of ranking for long-tail keywords, but also enhances the overall quality of your content. In an era where search engines prioritize content that provides in-depth answers to user queries, NeuronWriter's focus on relevance and depth can be a game-changer for your SEO strategy. 3. Boosting content engagement. High-ranking content is not only optimized for search engines, but also for user engagement. NeuronWriter provides tips on how to make your content more engaging, such as incorporating visuals, using a conversational tone, and including clear calls to action. By enhancing the engagement factor of your content, you can reduce bounce rates, increase time on page, and ultimately improve your search engine rankings. Engaged users are also more likely to share your content, further boosting its visibility and reach. 4. Streamlining the content creation process. Efficiency is key in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. NeuronWriter streamlines the content creation process by providing all the tools and insights you need in one place. From keyword research and competitor analysis to content scoring and optimization, NeuronWriter covers every aspect of SEO content creation. This allows you to produce high-quality content faster and with less effort, freeing up time to focus on other important aspects of your business. The impact of NeuronWriter on your SEO strategy. 1. Achieving higher rankings. The ultimate goal of any SEO strategy is to achieve higher rankings on search engine results pages. NeuronWriter is designed to help you do just that by providing actionable insights and recommendations that improve the quality and relevance of your content. By following the tool's guidelines, you can create content that is more likely to rank for your target keywords, driving more organic traffic to your site and increasing your visibility online. 2. Enhancing brand authority. Consistently producing high-quality, well-optimized content can enhance your brand's authority in your industry. NeuronWriter helps you achieve this by ensuring that your content is not only optimized for search engines, but also for your audience. By providing valuable information that resonates with your readers, you can establish your brand as a trusted source of information, leading to increased trust and credibility in your market. 3. Maximizing return on investment ROI. Investing in SEO tools like NeuronWriter can yield significant returns by increasing the effectiveness of your content marketing efforts. By improving your rankings and driving more traffic to your site, NeuronWriter can help you achieve a higher ROI on your content marketing investments. The tool's ability to streamline the content creation process also means that you can produce more content in less time, further maximizing your return on investment. Conclusion. NeuronWriter is more than just an SEO tool, it's a comprehensive solution for creating content that ranks. With its advanced AI-driven features, NeuronWriter empowers content creators to produce high-quality, SEO-optimized content that resonates with both search engines and readers. Whether you're a seasoned SEO professional or a beginner looking to improve your content strategy, NeuronWriter provides the insights and tools you need to succeed in today's competitive digital landscape. By leveraging NeuronWriter's capabilities, you can enhance your content's performance, outrank your competitors, and achieve higher visibility online.